Hey guys, thank you for joining me and welcome back. I hope you all are doing well today. So today I'm going to be creating some holiday decor for you. I'm going to be starting off with this circular foam that I picked up, floral foam that I picked up from the Dollar Tree. And I want to start with that because I bought this because there weren't any of that floral wire available. So this was like the last piece they had, and I just, I said, you know what, I can make this work. So what I have in front of me is a Dollar Tree vase that I purchased as well. And I picked up some floral greenery from my discount store because they have the floral greenery there looks a little bit better than the way they look at the Dollar Tree. And plus I think you get a little bit more. I usually pay about 50 cents more, maybe 75 cents more, but their floral pieces are just so much better. If you're looking for floral decoration, guys, you can always go to Hobby Lobby and Michael's. If you don't like the way they look at the Dollar Tree, sometimes at the Dollar Tree they're kind of small and the flowers are bent or creased. So anyway, I'm going to use these things that I'm showing you. I had these on hand already. So this pick that you see right here, I've already been pulling off the leaves and the pine cones off for the last few Christmas decorations. And so this is what's left, and I'm going to be using this greenery that's on there. I won't be using the berries, I'll just be using the greenery there. And then this one right here, I bought this a couple of years ago as well. I bought about 6. And at the time I bought them, they were $1.25 at my discount store. And so I have 2 more left. And so I'm going to be using the pine cones from this pick on our decoration. So right here is a 18-foot garland that I picked up from my discount store, or from my dollar store really, not the discount store, my dollar store. So as you guys already know, this garland does have the wire inside. And so what I'm going to do is wrap this garland around the circular foam. But as you can see, I would have to thread all 18 feet through until it was completely finished. So what I've decided to do was to use a part of this foam that's already been scored or broken. It looked like this was glued back together. So right here, I'm just going to use my strength and just finish pulling that apart. So I'm going to show you how I'm going to add this 18 feet of garland onto this circular foam. This is the easiest way for me to place this garland around the foam circle without a lot of work. So now that all the garland is completely on the floral foam, I'm going to use some hot glue and attach the ends together again. I'm just going to hold that in place until it sets. Guys, I want to take a moment and thank you so much for clicking on this video today and joining me today. Please don't forget to take the opportunity to subscribe to the channel and don't forget to thumbs up the video. So here's all that greenery that I showed you earlier. So I'm going to remove all the greenery, all the berries and everything from the pigs, all the things that I'm going to use on our wreath. So now that everything is already separated, I'm going to use a little bit of hot glue and start attaching everything piece by piece. Right here, I'm just sort of laying out how I want to start and which greenery I want to use. So right now what I'm going to do is take a little bit of white paint, mix a little bit of water into this black cup, and what I'm going to do is just dust it over all of the pine leaves, the berries, everything, just to give it a dusted snowy look. So guys, now that that's dry, I'm going to use these vase fillers. I'm going to use the gold ones, the larger size. It looks like it needs a little more color, so I'm going to add these gold styrofoam vase fillers, and you can get these from the Dollar Tree. So finally, to bring our complete base look together, I'm going to take this small tapered candlestick holder that I picked up from my discounted store. I'm going to use a little bit of hot glue, and I'm going to attach it to the inside of the vase. I'm going to turn that upside down, and then I'm going to attach it to the inside of the vase. I'll be using a Dollar Tree candle inside of the vase. And finally, I'm just going to place the wreath on top of this gold glitter charger. I got that from the Dollar Tree as well. Alright guys, so this is the project. This came out absolutely beautiful. I do love the three ideas. I love the white candle inside the Dollar Tree vase. I do absolutely love my red hurricane lamp. And I also love using my green candle from QVC. It's from the Illuminated collection, and I've had this candle probably about 15 years. So guys, before I go, I just wanted to tell you a little bit more about the items in case you have any questions. So this is the candle that I just showed you in the outro. It's a candle, again, it's by Luminara, and I picked this up about 15 years ago. It takes 2 D batteries. It's a little under 8 inches tall. So right here is my beautiful hurricane lamp. This hurricane lamp I picked up from Shop HQ a few years ago. The company is called At Home with Margie. The hurricane lamp is about 8 inches tall. It's a Mercury glass. It's absolutely beautiful. It has so weighty. I picked up 2 of these. So right here, this is called flame wave lighting. And I picked that up the same time I picked up the red hurricane lamp. So this is like a flame simulation module. This is what they used to call it a long time ago. And that's where you recharge it at. And it has 2 modes also. So right here, I just want to show you that this is the name of the company, Flame Wave Lighting. And that's the address, flamewave.com, if you're interested. Once you turn them on, you place them inside your lamp, and it just gives you just a beautiful real life fire looking effect. It's absolutely beautiful. I'm going to look online, guys, and find as many of these items as I can. These items I've had for years, so it's going to be hard for me to find the exact same thing. Hopefully, I can find something that's very similar. And guys, you let me know what you think in the comment section below. And I want to thank you so much for joining me today. I do appreciate it. Please don't forget to thumbs up the video. Please don't forget to subscribe. And you all stay well, stay safe, and stay blessed. And I will see you at the next video.